Alright, so this is me unboxing the MacBook Pro M4 chip. Let's make this good. So I'm going to be shooting on iPhone 15 Pro as well as the Meta glasses, and we'll upload this and see what people think. Alright. First impressions is that this is heavier than I thought it would be. So I don't know exactly what's in the box yet, but I'm sure it's more than just the laptop. Probably the charger, brick, and I don't know, papers and stabilizing equipment. Alright, so let's open this baby up. Alright. Okay, first tab, second tab. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. Let's open this last. So what do we have for the accessories? We've got so I guess I should preface this by saying I've never owned a MacBook before. I never unboxed a MacBook before. I have historically been not an anti-Apple person, but I was just happy with how PC OS works and Microsoft, Android. But I recently switched over to an iPhone 15 Pro. And I did not like that experience. I'm still using it, and I wish I had a Pixel or a Samsung or some sort of other Android, but I got this MacBook from a promotion, and so I am looking forward to seeing how the iPhone with the MacBook ecosystem is going to harmonize. I've been using my wife's MacBook lightly here and there for like emails and web browsing, and that's been okay. Recently, I've been trying to open and close different files with it, and it was so painful. It just was so unintuitive. For example, I just tried to open multiple pictures, so I'll drag 20 pictures and press enter, and on PC that'll work no problem, but you just can't do that with a MacBook. You have to select and then double click, and then let's say you want to open another group of, like, I don't know, you just want to open another set of pictures. You can't have 20 pictures open and then another 5 pictures open, or at least I haven't figured out how to do that. And I don't think I'm a stupid person, but using the MacBook makes me feel kind of stupid. So anyways, this is the Space Black color. I feel like I should have gone for the white because my whole office aesthetic is kind of white, whitish, grayish. Let's see if I can show you guys the PC. This way. No, this way. Like, that PC is generally, that's a white built PC. But I figure if I'm going to be like going out with it, the Space Black just looks cooler. So that's why I went with the black. Okay, accessories. So we've got, let's put this actually behind us. They call this the MagSafe charger, I believe. USB-C to, I don't know, MacBook's charging port, which is braided, nice, smells pretty, that chemical factory smell, but quality-wise, whatever. Okay, we've got instruction manual, stickers, no stickers. Okay, this is cool. I always like to see, I don't read the whole instructions, but I always like to see like what is what. Yeah, so like, you have the Touch ID, you have the Force Touch trackpad, and huge gripe with iPhone and Apple is how long they've had the lightning cable for. I only got the iPhone 15 because they switched to USB-C. Had they not done that, no chance. Like, why do you need to go and get lightning cables for anything Apple and just have, everything else is running on USB-C? Just like, I don't know. And they wouldn't have made they wouldn't have made the iPhone USB-C had it not been for that EU, what is it, law. So good on that. Menu bar. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be using that this MagSafe cable, because I just have USB-C just, nearby. But I guess it opens up another port, so we'll see. I wonder... I wish they had made this black and this black, the power brick and the cable, for the Space Black color. And if it was the white color for the MacBook, then they could have stuck with the white and made the cable white. But right, okay. Oh, I should have made my meta settings a bit. I should have made them 3 minutes instead of 1 minute. Okay, so this is the box. That's all the dirty stuff. Okay, now we're getting into the real, what we're really looking for. This thin paper material, I guess it's pretty nice. Oh, it's so cool to the touch. Wow. And another thing is, I don't know how I feel about the Space Black. I think the Space Gray is more my tune. It just is so iconic, and it just, something about it just looks nice, looks clean. But Space Gray, Space Black, first impressions, pretty nice. We're worried about getting fingerprints on it. Oh, it's heavy too. Wow, this is holding it in one hand. I mean, it feels pretty balanced. It's super cold. But this color is pretty nice and mesmerizing. Again, I was on the fence about it, but I guess I'll just have to keep using it and see. Any scratches, anything unfortunate like that. MagSafe, Thunderbolt 4. Okay, so that's the back. This is the front. Apple logo. You can see that that's made out of a different texture. Oh, that's gonna get super fingerprinty. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? It's 14 inches, sturdy, cold. I mean, the color is pretty... That's a manly looking color. Yeah, it looks pretty slick, pretty... What can you say? Edgy. It's nice, it's new, fresh. M4, okay. So this one, I didn't do that much research, but I believe they have this nano texture display, which this one didn't come with. It's like $129, I think, extra. But I don't think I'm going to be using it in that much glare, so it should be okay. And from what I heard, the screen is pretty good. Primeros pasos. Hola. De Marer. But let's look at this keyboard. Is it yeah, is this speaker grills nice and thick? Okay. Let's set this up. Australia. Just English, yeah. Not English UK, just English. Not English US. forward to this MacBook Pro. Apple out of my comfort zone later. Like, I don't know where to stuff. See what YouTube looks like on here. Norway Starscapes. Ooh. Sound is ridiculous. Nah, the first ad is a Samsung ad. Very nice. Put this away.
Almost all of them. Do crabs have eyebrows?
Have talent. For all of life's laundry questions, it's got to be Tide.
Stunning 4K. Wow. That looks pretty good. Like, the black is super black. The sound is very 3D, very immersive. Everything is just super sharp. Let's get into the good stuff. Yeah, MacBook Pro. It's heavy, but I mean, I don't know how much heavy usage I'm going to be doing with this. Oh wow, it gets even brighter than that too. Yeah, it gives me a lot of headroom to do some heavier workload type stuff, which I don't know what I'll do. These fans. Oh, one thing I guess I could look at is the hinge experience. MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro. Very cool. Yeah. This is nice, being able to lift it without the base moving around, lifting this top part of lifting the monitor. Dope. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any tips. I'm not a Apple person, but I've got the iPhone, I've got the MacBook. Hopefully, one thing that I think I'll enjoy more with the Apple ecosystem is just how well everything's going to work together. iMessages, especially just, I mean, probably just iMessages. I'm looking forward to seeing how that works, because I like to just use a computer rather than use my phone to type and send photos and messages and things like that. So hopefully that user interface is going to be nice, because Android and PC doesn't really have anything like that. They have like Link My Phone, and those are I'm sure not as good as MacBook. So I'm looking forward to it, and